Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to wire up some LED lights. This is a 2019 Yamaha Raptor. It's a 90. These are actually LED lights that are blue in color. I got 12 of them for like 12 bucks. I'll put a link in the description in case that's what you're looking for as far as color wise. They do have white, amber. This is the fuse I'm going to use. And then just get you some small gauge wire. I'm just using an 18 gauge. It's 40 foot. Again, I'll put a link in the description for everything you can order here. This is the button that I'm going to use. It's just a simple on-off button. Comes with some tape here because I'm going to fix that to the inner part of the fairing. All right, if you look underneath here, there are 1, 2 little bolts that we need to remove so we can actually pull this out and remove the front of the lens. Easiest way to remove that lens is to take your right hand, put your thumb on this guy here, turn it upside down. Take your left hand, put your thumb on this one, and at the same time, if you push this one in with your left hand, this one in with your right hand, it'll pop down and then you can remove these two here. Before I started drilling, I taped off just the middle of the lens here. I used a very small bit, and then I'm going to just gradually step it up one more size and then to the final bit here. I'm actually going to install a lock washer right here on the back side. I wired both of the positive wires together and then wired both of the negative wires together. I'm going to run one wire from the negative to the battery, and then the way you hook up the positive is you'll run one wire from this guy into the switch and then from the switch to the hot, and when you flip the switch it'll bridge the gap and give them power. Here's the way the wiring is going to look. I'm actually going to take the hot and the negative, and you can see right here where the factory harness is at. I'm actually going to just zip tie it along that. And then I will pull a hot off of here for the button that's going to go off the back. The negative is actually going to continue to run up right here to the factory harness. I'll put a negative right here, and then from the button we'll install power. We'll be good to go. I ran the hot from the button or the switch. I actually ran it through this boot so that way I can put that hot boot, whatever you want to call that piece here, right over the main wire. Clean install. Thanks for watching.